Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, aren't you? I didn't even take time to put on my scrubs. I was like, I am coming to you directly. So yesterday, when I came back from work, I saw this package and I thought to myself, so what did Amazon drop off today? I can't recall ordering anything. Well, the big secret is this, and this is a major secret. About 2 months ago, I decided that I will go to the laboratory and I will start designing my own line. The thing is that people do not follow the aftercare well. They don't know what kind of soap to use once they had their brows, lips or eyeliner done. It's a big issue when I do paramedical tattooing. I mean, we need something that's healthy, that have natural products in, and something that does not contain fragrance. Then I realize so many of my clients are impatient. When I do scar camouflage, they want it done today. Now, scar camouflage works almost pretty much like your brows. You have to have it done, it fades in, and then you have a follow-up. Well, people are paying a lot of money and they really, really want it done snap, snap, today. So I thought, let me help those people because you know what? I really, truly care. And that's why I now have come out with my own line. People, I'm so excited. This is going to be maybe a little long video because we have to open it up together. So much so, I am using 2 different cameras, which is a lot for me because you all know I'm not really a cinematographer or a photographer. So let's see what is going to be in this box coming from New York all the way to Beauty Ink and Beyond in Florida. Let's see. We have the box. I do have 1 scissor. I may need another one. So I already opened the box. I did not open everything. Oh, I'm so used to pretty boxes. Oh my gosh, look there. My logo, Beauty Ink and Beyond. Oh, people, I'm so excited. Let's put the box here. It's really an ugly box. I'm planning to eventually have an Amazon store. For now, I will post, you'll be able to get it in my location at Beauty Ink and Beyond in Ponte Vedra Beach, or you can text me, or you can also, besides texting, can you guys see? Isn't it beautiful? I will open just one so we can together, oh, it's even wrapped. So how are we going to open this? I'll most probably use this. As you can see, it's really wrapped. And you know why it's wrapped like this, everyone? Well, I'm not going to open it. It's going to be too much trouble. You know, guys, why it's wrapped like this? Because it has to be sterile. So let me tell you what is in my tattoo aftercare lotion. This will apply after your tattoo, after your permanent makeup, after your semi-permanent makeup, as well as after your paramedical tattooing. Isn't that just the most beautiful thing? So we have in this grapeseed oil and shea butter. Well, obviously I'm not going to tell you all my ingredients because you know what? That would defeat the purpose. So yes, but this is very natural, pretty natural. Okay, and I'll put it there and we'll see what else we have. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, so this, I'm not sure if you can see, but this is my camouflage. So I got camouflage for every kind of skin. And in my camouflage, I have, because while you camouflage, you also want to make sure it's good for the skin. So in my camouflage, I have argan oil and vitamin E. These are very good ones for your skin to heal. It's just something extra, so it's not just a foundation. So what I can tell you about my camouflage, and I have, oh, people, I have every color under the rainbow. So we are going to be able to cater to every skin type, from the lightest to the darkest, all Fitzpatricks. I promise you that. Every Fitzpatrick we will be able to cover. So let me show you here what's in there. You can see vitamin E and argan oil. It comes in a tube, but it also comes in a little container disc. I prefer this. So when you get it, it's going to have my logo on there. It was, you know, I'm a small business, so it was very expensive for me to have them package everything with a logo and a barcode. If I see that you, my patrons and my clients and also my fellow people who does permanent makeup, if I see you like my product and you actually purchase it, then I will go the step further and we will definitely bring it out with barcodes. We'll bring it out with even more colors. So this does not wash off, and it also does not, if it rains, it's not going to run. If you sweat, it's not going to come off. If you have a tattoo and you want to cover it up, you can even do that, use that for that. But this is mainly intended. I made this specifically for you to purchase, mainly so you can cover up unwanted scars while I work on them. If you do not want to cover up unwanted scars, then you can use it for whatever you want to. I mean, as I say, a lot of people do not want their tattoos to show. You can cover that up too. So as I said, this is waterproof, like seriously waterproof. Now, obviously, if you're going to scrub it off, it's going to come off. I mean, this is not permanent makeup or semi-permanent makeup. However, this will definitely take you through a day and it should not sweat off. You can even go to the gym with this. I mean, I don't want to make too many promises because I don't gym, but I did ask the laboratory to please make it sweat-proof, waterproof. So, excited? Oh my Lord, I'm so excited. I love solving a problem. A lot of people don't know this about me. You give me, and you know what, you can even cover the varicose veins with that. Now, it's not intended for that, but you can definitely do that. Okay, so what else does Desiree, or Dina, as some of you call me, have up her sleeve? Let's see. You see, I don't even know. I was serious. When I said I did not open this without you, I was serious. I take you guys seriously. Oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful thing. And this is what drove me to make this. This was my main issue. Can you guys see? So this says Tattoo Aftercare Cleanser with, of course, aloe. I have aloe in and glycerine. Why those two products? Because those two products have definite healing qualities and I do not want you to go use something with a fragrance. So I'm taking care of you because I care. Okay, so better. I had to readjust that. So you can see there the product is. Guys, I really hope you love this. Please leave comments. I will definitely do a video on how to use and apply this. And just tell me what else you would like to see, what else you would like me to see, if I can maybe create with a laboratory. Now, I do not want to take full credit for this because I did work with a laboratory. Yeah, that's it. Just more of the same. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you're all going to benefit. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you're interested in purchasing, please follow me on my Instagram, which is Beauty Ink and Beyond. Also on my Facebook, which is at Beauty Ink and Beyond. And then, of course, you know about my website, which is beautyinkandbeyond.com. And if you want to visit my office and you would like me to do some permanent makeup on you, whether it's a scar camouflage, areola, recreation, or reconstruction, basically, or lip blush, you know, anything, I offer free consultations and I'm conveniently located at 6000A in Sawgrass Village Circle in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. Lovely place to visit and even a greater place to come for your permanent makeup, paramedical tattooing, or semi-permanent services. And don't forget, I also do microneedling. Let's get rid of all those ugly acne scars. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm excited. Please be excited for me too. Bye-bye.